Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about literature review, problems identified and philosophy. So let's begin. Here is the learning objective that we are going to learn from this topic, which are we are able to explain the concept of literature review, then identify the resources of literature review. We will be able to explain the process of literature review, explain the concept research gaps, and lastly we will be able to explain the types of research gaps. So let's begin in our next slide, which represents the definition of literature review. A literature review is critically analyzes and evaluates the existing published research, articles, and books related to a specific topic or research question. The purpose of a literature review is to provide a comprehensive overview of the current state of knowledge in a particular field and identify gaps in the literature that can be addressed by further research. Our next slide represents the resources of literature review. There are several resources that can be used to conduct a literature review in business context. Here are some examples of resources that are commonly used. The first one is academic journal, then government reports, the third one is industry reports, and the last one is conference proceedings. So, in academic journals, it's a primary resource of published research in business. Articles in these journals are typically pre-reviewed, meaning they have been evaluated by other experts in the field before publications. For example, of academic journal in business included the Journal of Accounting and Finance, the Academy of Management Review, and the Journal of Marketing. The second one is books. Book can be also a valuable resource of information for a literature review in business. Business books can provide insights into best practices, emerging trends, and cases studies of successful businesses. For example, of book including The Political Economy of Bangladesh, Social Issues in Contemporary Bangladesh, edited by Shapan Adnan and Shamsul Huda, and Development and Governments in Bangladesh, edited by Raunak Jahan. Then the third one is government reports. Government reports can provide valuable data and insights into trends and policies related to Bangladesh. For example, the Bureau of Statistics, Bangladesh Economic Survey, Bangladesh Development Report, and National Human Rights Commission Annual Report. The fourth one is industry report. Industry reports can provide insights into trends and best practices within a specific industry. These reports may be produced by the market research firms, trade associations, and other organizations. For example, Bangladesh Banking Industry Report, Bangladesh Pharmaceutical Industry Report, Bangladesh Information Technology Industry Report, and Bangladesh Energy Industry Report. And our last one is conference proceedings. It can provide insights into emerging research and trends in particular field. Proceeding from conferences in business such as the Academy of Management annual meeting, it can be a valuable resources for information. So overall, these are main resources that can be used to conduct a literature review in business context. It is also important, it is used to variety of resources to ensure a comprehensive review of literature.